Welcome back, Femme Goddess. Have you wondered why your hair is not growing and so frizzy? We're sharing 7 detailed hair care tips to help you achieve your best hair ever. From everyday practices to home remedies, we've got a comprehensive guide for you. Let's get started. Tip 1. Use a heat protectant. Heat styling tools can damage your hair if not used properly. Always apply a heat protectant spray before using tools like blow dryers or curling irons. It creates a barrier against heat damage. For a DIY option, mix a few drops of coconut oil with water in a spray bottle and lightly mist your hair. Tip 2. Avoid overwashing. Washing your hair too often can strip away natural oils, leading to dryness. Aim to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week. In between, use a dry shampoo. You can make your own by mixing cornstarch and baking soda with a bit of cocoa powder for color. Tip 3. Condition regularly. Conditioner adds moisture and helps manage tangles. For a weekly deep conditioning treatment, try a homemade hair mask. Blend avocado, egg, olive oil, and honey. Apply it to your hair. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse. Tip 4. Be gentle when towel drying. Avoid rubbing your hair with a towel to prevent breakage. Instead, gently blot or pat your hair dry with a soft towel or microfiber cloth. You can also wrap your hair in an old t-shirt for a gentler touch. Tip 5. Choose the right shampoo. Opt for a sulfate-free shampoo suited to your hair type. For a natural cleanser, use apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water and use it as a rinse after shampooing to remove buildup. Tip 6. Trim regularly. Trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks prevents split ends and keeps your hair looking healthy. If trimming at home, use sharp hair scissors and carefully cut off split ends to maintain your hair's appearance. Tip 7. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is essential for healthy hair. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Incorporate hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon into your diet to keep your hair moisturized from the inside out. And there you have it, 7 essential tips for healthier, happier hair. Incorporate these practices and remedies in your routine to see a real difference. If you enjoyed these tips, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.